In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Gmail experience by adjusting the quick settings. First, let's head over to gmail.com and sign in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to customizing your Gmail interface. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the Quick Settings menu. Now, the first thing you'll see is a selection of layout options that you can adjust to fit your preferences. Let's start with density. This setting controls how much information you see at a glance in your inbox. You have three choices here: default, comfortable, and compact. Choosing the default setting will display attachments in your email list, making it easy to see which emails come with files. If you prefer a cleaner look without too much detail, comfortable might be your best bet. For those who like everything more tightly packed, perhaps for a more efficient scan of your emails, compact will suit you perfectly. Next, you have the option to customize your inbox type. Here, you can choose from several different layouts like default, important first, unread first, starred first, priority inbox, or multiple inboxes. Let's break these down to see what fits your needs. Selecting the default option will keep everything as it is, with no particular focus. Important first will bring all emails marked important to the top of your inbox, ensuring you never miss a critical message. If you find yourself often overwhelmed, unread first is a great choice, as it displays emails you haven't looked at yet at the top. Starred first prioritizes those emails you've marked with a star, a handy feature if you frequently use stars to keep track of essential conversations. Priority inbox adds a bit more automation, as Gmail uses algorithms to determine what emails are most important, placing those at the top. And finally, multiple inboxes provides a highly customizable approach, allowing you to manage your emails in different sections according to your specifications. On to the reading pane settings. You have the option to choose between no split, right of inbox, or below inbox. No split keeps your inbox full screen, ideal if you want maximum space for your list. If you prefer a more traditional split pane approach, you can choose to have the reading pane appear either on the right side of your inbox or below it, allowing you to preview messages without needing to open a new window. Finally, if you want to add a personal touch to your Gmail, check out the theme section. Click View All to explore a variety of background themes. From sleek minimalist looks to vibrant artistic designs, this is where you can inject some personality into your email client. Feel free to click around and preview changes as Gmail conveniently saves your preferences automatically, ensuring that your customized inbox settings remain intact. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've now tailored your Gmail interface to suit your unique style and preferences. Be sure to give these options a try and see which ones suit you best. Enjoy your newly personalized email experience.